was a boy who was born in a small farming village in Japan. His family was poor. They lived in a small house with very little money. When he was only 9 years old, he had to leave his school and started working in a small shop to support his family. He used to get up before sunrise every day, clean the store, run errands, and then look after the children of the shop owner. Some years later, destiny showed him a new path. He got a job in an electricity company. There he got interested in light bulbs and sockets. Every night he started learning and experimenting on his own. One day he made an improved version of a light socket all by himself. He got very excited and showed to his boss. But his boss was not impressed and said, "Such a product will not work." Even though he was rejected, he believed in his idea. He wanted to do something on his own. He wanted to start his own company. He told his friends. They said, "You cannot do it. You cannot leave your permanent job. You have no experience. You have very little money and hardly any education. You cannot do it." Still, he believed in his dreams. He believed in himself. So, when he turned 22, he took a big decision. He left his stable job and started his own small manufacturing company. He and his wife started manufacturing sockets in their small house. They both went door to door for selling them. But no shop owner was interested. They didn't get any order. Months passed by and still there were no orders. They were not able to sell their products. He sold his furnitures, borrowed money to survive a little longer. After many days, he thought he will give up and get back to his job. But in the morning, as the sun rose, he was out on the street looking for orders, surviving one more day. Then a time came when he was almost bankrupt and he was just closest to giving up his dream. That's when a miracle happened in his life. Out of nowhere, he got his first major order of 1,000 pieces. Now, 100 years passed after that first order of 1,000 pieces. His company now has 250,000 employees with annual sales of 65 billion. His company's products now sold over across the world. All this was made possible by a man with no education and no money. All he had was a belief in himself and a strong determination. His name is Konosuke Matsushita. The company he started in his small house is now known as Panasonic across the world. So, the learning is success is not dependent on how much educated you are or how much money you have. Success is all about believing in yourself. So, if you are also in search of success, first create a very clear goal in your mind. Work hard to achieve that goal and just believe in yourself, even if no one else does. Survive when other people give up and just wait for that one miracle that will change your life forever.